Garage doors are the largest doors in our home. Your choice in a garage door says a lot about you as a homeowner. Besides being aesthetically pleasing and adding to your home's curb appeal, garage doors are a huge part of your home security. We here at Discount Garage Doors specialize in helping homeowners just like yourself select the right door. Whether you are looking for a steel or wood door, residential or commercial, Discount Garage Doors LLC is your top choice in Northeast PA. Call today and schedule your free estimate and consultation. Discount Garage Doors LLC, a brand you can trust.